it's Ashley and I'm back with a video. Today I'm doing a giveaway announcement, and if you're part of my Facebook group, you may already know about it, but I'm going to make sure to announce it on YouTube too, just in case you missed it or if you haven't heard about it yet. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure to like this video so that way I know that you enjoy this kind of content, especially giveaway videos. If you enjoy this kind of content, let me know and I'll try to make sure that there's more giveaways for you guys. Really excited to get started and talk to you more about this giveaway. So you guys know 2020 has been a rough year for everyone, right? I feel like everybody I know is, had such the worst year. So this was especially important to me. I partner with Cricut as a product expert, and having the ability to be able to do a giveaway for you guys and, hopefully brighten up your year, at least the end of the year, is something that I'm really, really thrilled about. So obviously I'm so grateful to Cricut for doing these giveaways where they sponsor for you guys. So this whole giveaway is going to be $500 worth of Cricut materials. And if you don't have a Cricut machine, don't worry. You definitely can use these materials even without a Cricut machine. Cricut makes a ton of different materials so that you can do all sorts of different kinds of crafting. They're very supportive of pretty much every type of craft that you might want to make. So there's a little bit of everything on their website. And the cool thing about this giveaway is that it is going to be tailored to whomever wins. So if you win this giveaway, you're going to be choosing what types of materials that you receive. So if you like paper crafting, we can do things like poster board and cardstock and deluxe paper and all the things that would make you the best paper crafter. If you're a crafter who loves working with iron-on vinyl, we can, get you materials like all the cool iron-on vinyls. You could do stuff like regular vinyl, permanent vinyl, foil vinyl. There's basically holographic, so many different things that you could try. If you like sewing, there's fabric on the website. They have metal to engrave. There's so many different things. So what we're going to do is, to enter to win, all you have to do is follow the link in the description box. It'll take you straight to the giveaway to enter. You have to be 18 years or older and a resident of the United States or of Canada or Puerto Rico as well. So it's a very simple giveaway to enter, and there's not a lot of rules or restrictions or anything for entering. So I'm really super thrilled and so happy that Cricut gave me the ability to be able to do something awesome for you guys for the holidays. And hopefully this ends 2020 in a better, frame of mind for everybody. And I'm super excited to get started with crafting for the new year for you guys as well. And that way we can just really go into 2021 with a lot of positivity and good energy. So if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of this information as well. And just check out the links in the description box. It'll take you straight to the giveaway. Oh, and before I forget, I'm having a live Facebook class. It's on Saturday. If you're Pacific time, it'll be 12 p.m. If you're Mountain Standard Time, it'll be 1 p.m. Central Time is 2 p.m. and Eastern is 3 p.m. And what I'm teaching in the live class is we're going to be making t-shirts for the holidays. So that's just something fun that I like to do, is do live classes for you guys. So if you've had Cricut questions and you would love to have them answered on the spot, that's definitely the time to do it. And you can hang out with me and we can craft together. And if you haven't opened up your new Cricut machine yet, let's do it together then. That way you can really get the walkthrough on how they function, ask any questions, and we'll really get you started so that you can be crafting for the next year. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and if you can, stop by the live class so that I can see you there and help out, and I will talk to you guys later.